Okay, now here few are more uh, differentiate factors with respect to this course I'm going to tell you. Okay, so first thing is that strategy building. We know that it's important and other ignore. What happened? Okay, when you are going to take some other online courses and all these things, they start with okay, this is a tool, this is a thing, let's start implementing. Okay, some theory and some theoretical knowledge they are going to provide, maybe some demo also, and they just show okay, let's do that. But before starting anything, we should first build our strategy. Okay, how I am going to implement those things, how I am going to learn this, what will be my GPS, my this is my strategy, goal, plan, and scheduling. So all these things. So initially, uh, in this program, I'm not going to switch directly with teaching you. First, maybe in the second module after introduction, you see the strategy module is there, and there we are first going to discuss what should be my Facebook strategy, what should be my tools, and what should be my tools with respect to tool strategy, what should be my autoresponder strategy with respect to email marketing automation, what should be my landing page strategy or blogging strategy. Okay, so these are the strategy. First build the strategy. Okay, that okay, in this way we have to, on the basis of this strategy, uh, I'm going to implement those things, correct? So the first thing is the building the strategy, and this is I'm seeing in the most of the courses is missing. Okay, this is you can say one differentiator which you'll figure it out in this course. Okay, second thing is we will have live demonstration on tool, others just tell the theory. Okay, so here I'm just going to say that okay, you need to have lot of tools. You have to, for autoresponder, you should have MailerLite. For web hosting, SiteGround. Okay, for getting the free, for getting the content mark. Okay, okay, so many tools. Okay, is required. So I'm not just going to tell you, okay, this is the tool, this is the tool, this is the tool. Okay, and just go and implement. I'm first going to give you the demo of all these tools. Okay, you should first compatible with those tools, and mostly I'm going to refer with the free tools. Okay, because at the beginning I don't want to invest so much money, because you are in the learning phase. Maybe the efficiency of the tool is not very good, or you can say it's not very user friendly. Okay, but first initially you have to learn, you have to do the practice and all these things. So why should I start paying this higher tool in the beginning itself? Let me become some expert, correct? Let me understand the concept, so that if in future I'm going to take some paid tool, so I'm not going to waste my time in learning that tool. Okay, those concepts I'm just going to implement and I'm going to perfect it. Okay, so this is, you can, this is number two differentiator. Okay, with respect to our this program. Okay, now what is the number three? We focus on live implementation of each bar. Other just tell how to do that. Okay, so here, if I'm saying, okay, this is my Facebook strategy. Okay, if I'm saying this is my autoresponder strategy, so I'm not just telling you, okay, how you have to create the ad, okay, theoretically, or not only giving you a demo also. Okay, I'm going to actually create the ad. Okay, I'm going to actually create the content, and actually create the email automation workflow. Okay, and I'm going to actually show you that how the data is coming from here, how the email, for example, for email how the automatically email are triggering, how can you get the pop up in your page, or how you have to develop this your landing pages and how you are going to use it, and actually will use it also. Okay, so this is, I'm saying, this is real time, or you can say live implementation of those things, so that you should be clear with everything. You should see each and every step, whatever I've told in the theoretical session. Okay, each and everything you will see that I'm implementing that. Okay. Fourth point is also very important. Okay, what happened? Okay, suppose I created a particular ad. I show you live. Okay, this ad is, you know, working like this. But now you will, most of the people, even few people are doing this implementation. Okay, now where people stop, suppose they created a particular ad, okay, and then they stop. Okay, if the trainer is very good, he will show you the live demonstration, live implementation. Okay, now there they stop. What? They are not showing that that ad is performing or not, and what the stats he got that is ad. Suppose this ad, I have created, suppose 4 ads, correct? So ad A, ad B, ad C, or 4, or ad number 1, 2, 3, 4. So what, all those 4 ads may not perform at the same level, correct? One, suppose ad number A is performing good, ad number B is performing bad, ad number C is performing worse, and ad number D is performing awesome. So now in the optimization part of the video, we are going to see, okay, why this ad is performing well, why this ad is not performing well, and what are the things we can do that this particular ad should perform. And if at all it's not working, we should kill that ad. Okay, so this is, we can say the optimization. After implementation part, we will basically do the analysis of whatever things we have implemented. Okay, you understand, first thing is theory, understanding the concept, theoretical. Then what we are going to do, implementation. And then what we are going to do, we are going to analyze this thing. And I'm telling you one thing, you will learn actual, or you can say lot of things in this optimization part. I'm telling you, you will learn a lot of things, because here you will figure it out what is your mistakes and what are the things you are doing very good. Okay, so this is one of the very important part. This is the optimization, and I'm damn sure that 99% of the courses or training program are not going to show this you. And even if 1% or I say, forget about the free course, even the paid courses, high paid courses of $1,000, $2,000 courses are also not going to show you this optimization part.